Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G100, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this Android. Start by opening Play Store, clicking on the search bar and typing iOS Launcher. Then install this free app from this developer and open it. Now wait for the pop-ups to show up, and when they do, select while using the app and allow. Then choose Home button. Click on iOS Launcher. Tap on Always, select Got it, and as you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. If you wish to go back into the default one, you can always just uninstall Launcher app, or go into device settings, select apps and notifications, click on Advanced and choose default apps. Over here click on Home app and tap on Moto App Launcher. If you wish to go back into the iOS one, you can do that by clicking on iOS Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!